Hey there, welcome to our guide on managing stress and anxiety. Life can get hectic, and stress often takes over, but with the right techniques, you can reclaim your calm and balance. Let's explore some methods that can help you feel better day by day. Step 1, breathing exercises. One of the quickest ways to reduce stress is through controlled breathing. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Sit comfortably, breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and slowly exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat a few times to calm your nervous system and relax. Step 2, regular movement. Engaging in physical activity is a powerful stress reducer. You don't need an intense workout. A simple walk in the park or a few minutes of yoga can make a big difference. Movement increases endorphins, known as happy hormones, improving your mood and reducing stress levels. Step 3, mindfulness and meditation. These practices focus on being present. Start with a 5-minute guided meditation using apps like Headspace or Calm. Concentrate on your breathing, allow thoughts to pass by, and refocus on the present moment. It's a great way to reduce stress. Step 4, planning and organization. Feeling overwhelmed? Organize your day or week with a to-do list. Prioritize tasks and take breaks as needed. By breaking tasks into smaller steps, you gain control and stress can become more manageable. Step 5, talk about it. Sometimes discussing your stress with a friend, family member, or professional can be the best relief. Sharing your worries offers new insights and emotional relief. If needed, seeking professional help can be a strong step to managing ongoing stress or anxiety. Thanks for joining us in this journey to manage stress and anxiety. Hopefully you've discovered new techniques to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.